Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, June 26, 2024. Let's find out what is going on Solana market. As you can see, I'm using the Solana to Tether daily time frame chart at Zondacrypto. So what is going on here? It's pretty much straightforward. We just noticed the very extended downslide from 188 tethers towards the 123 tethers, resulting in minus 34% slide. So that's the actually the range of this slide after the ABC correction to the upside has been completed. So the ABC correction to the upside from this low is pretty much straight forward. This one looks a little bit different. This one looks like a 1 2 3 4 5 movement to the downside. So we got something like this here. It looks like it's been completed. So we got the potential for the whole correction from the top here to be completed. We got the ABC to the downside, possibly from this low or from this low. It doesn't actually matters that much. We got the wave A, and then of course, or maybe something like this, we got the wave B, 1 2 3 4 5 to the upside, wave C. So it looks like the whole structure might be labeled as the completed structure. So which is why if we remove the subwaves here from the Elliott point of view, if we remove the subwaves, we can label the whole structure as a big A, bigger cycle, big B, big C, running flat correction. All right, so what do we have here as well are the technical support levels. Okay, let me just mark this technical support levels. Yesterday low, yeah, two days low, and this zone between 118, 119, 123. So that's the big Solana zone, demand zone. And of course, this is the wave C. ABC running flat means that the big correction of the different cycle, of the different cycle, then it is here during this upward uptrend, right? So this is the wave 1, for example. Let me just make it here, right? So if we are correct, then this is the wave 1, okay, and then of course this is ABC to the downside running flat, which is the wave 2, big wave 2. So it is possible that if this correction is flat one and it's a simple ABC correction, that the overall corrective cycle on Solana had been completed at this level here, 123, and the market is ready to go up. However, simple correction might evolve into complex correction. All right, so please be aware of this situation here. If we, however, add a little bit more things like the technical support levels, okay, technical resistance levels, right? So we of course have the resistance here at 130.39. So that's the technical resistance level. Now the top of the wave B will be technical resistance level 188. The top here will be the technical resistance level 203, and of course the top of the wave 1 at 209 will be the technical resistance levels. Moreover, what do we have here is the trend line, and if we apply the trend line somewhere here, let's say somewhere here, then we can see that the market is still trading below the trend line. So because of this, right, the dashed line here is the trend line, and we need a breakout above the trend line to confirm ABC correction completion. We need a breakout above 139 and the daily candle close above this level to confirm the ABC completion, and the minor other confirmations that would eventually confirm our situation with the Solana completing the running flat correction. Okay, RSI is the last last indicator I would like to point, I would like to attach to the chart. Why? Because this is the situation where we can see the extremely oversold conditions. So the market went from the extremely overbought to extremely oversold, from the extremely oversold to extremely overbought, right? So it is running in cycles. It can be seen eventually, at least during the corrective cycles, right? So what we got here is the first extremely oversold conditions. Now we got this extremely oversold conditions, right? Everything is clear. Now we have the high for the wave B. Let me just get rid of this magnet. There you go. And we got the highs for the wave B, and then we got another extremely overbought conditions. Now we got another extremely overbought conditions here. Now we go down for the bottom for the wave C, right? So we are here, and we got another extremely oversold conditions, and then we got extremely oversold conditions and a bounce from it. So it works perfectly to show you, guys, that the chances for another rally to the upside are very, very high. So that's my analysis of the Solana to Tether. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.